Whoa! Inna the valley where the mist arise high, eagle and sword touch the skin of the sky. Babylon try frighten the soul with them lies, but man a mountain man see through the sky. Stay cool and calm like the river a flow. Listen to the breeze, let the ego go. Watch how the flowers bloom wild inna the bush. Nature no hurry, nature no push. Fi prevent the landslide, you plant deep the tree. Firming at the earth that a true liberty. Hype on the reach where the air stay pure. Spirit a heal and the heart find a cure. From the seeds of the Father's greatness a spring up. Holy water na the God, yeah we lift the wing. On the reach where the air stay pure. Spirit a heal and the heart find a cure. From the seeds of the Father's greatness a spring up. Holy water na the God, yeah we lift the wing up. Life is a practice like the sunrise and set. Forgive the past, yeah, and lose the regret. Wisdom of the gold where we receive from the old. Story of the ancient, story way untold. No let no bit of in manifest in your yard. Part your garden here, keep watch and guard me. Remember the last drought, the ground it dry. But we never stop pray, never ask Jah why. Oh! Take care of the land, take care of the beast. From the hills in the west to the shore in the east. The earth is the Lord's, we just get on the floor. We are gonna celebrate life with the drum and the fire. Lift up the chant, take the melody higher. Do it secret, let the mountain hear the sound. Barefoot, we are walk on the sanctified ground. Cause we know say every leaf of it wither and dead. But the spirit is a river where never can be fed. Return to the side, return to the root. After the lava we taste the sweet fruit. Hype on the ridge where the air